back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets out here. And today we are going to talk about HP ProBook Series 4540S. Talking about ProBook, we can say that ProBook was mainly designed out for the variants which were for corporate world. Yes, we can say that they were mostly designed for the corporate world out here. And when we say this corporate world design gadgets, then we can say these gadgets out here are really amazing because small business or large business out here or small, it's like these kind of corporate sectors basically uses pro book out there because this is very medium budgeted out. Yes, it's medium budget. It is medium sized out here along with good specifications. So everything out there which is required in the corporate world is offered out here. Now talking about this variant, now talking about this version, we can say that the processor out here, the processing system out there, in this version, that is HP ProBook 4540S, it uses Intel Core i5. Yes, the processor used out here is Intel Core i5. Whereas you will also find that it is offering you a good specification with 2.5 gigahertz base clock speed. So 2.5 gigahertz base clock speed could be seen out. Whereas the max turbo speed is of 3.1 gigahertz. Yes, 3.1 gigahertz is the maximum turbo speed offered out here. Talking about the core system, it is a dual core system process out here offering you a good cache memory and chip system. Along with it, you will get a good featuring. Now, when we talk about this chip system, we can say that it uses Intel Mobile Intel Express, that is HM76. Yes, Mobile Intel HM76 is being used out here with featuring of Intel Turbo Boost technology 2. So you get to have Intel Turbo Boost technology 2 out here, which is really amazing version. Overall, if we talk about this variant, if we talk about this version, then we can say that this is really a good variant out here, offering you great specifications, great functionalities out there. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, if we talk about this version, then we can say that it is offering you a good cache memory. Talking about the cache memory, then we can say that it offers you a good cache memory of 3 MB installed size. 3 MB installed size could be seen out here, along with that L3 type cache memory. So you get to 3 LT type cache memory. So L3 type, L2 type, these are really most common versions out here. But when we talk about this variant, then it is offering you a good specification out there. Now we are talking about this memory, talking about the memory out here, cache memory and that. So we cannot neglect out that it has got really a good RAM quality. RAM, the random accessory memory out here, is offering you 4 GB installed RAM. Yes, you get to have 4 GB installed RAM out here with a RAM type of DDR3. So this is DDR3 RAM type, not DDR3L or DDR4. It is DDR3 RAM type. Talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you a good memory speed of 1333 megahertz. Yes, it is offering you a good memory speed of 1333 megahertz out here with a configuration of 1 into 4 GB. Yes, it is offering you a good configuration of 1 into 4 GB. That is one slot of 4 GB itself. So overall, it is very good out there in this capacity out there, or if you talk about the RAM quality out there, it is offering you good quality of RAM. But RAM does not alone makes it a good version out there. You need a good storage, that is in the hard drive storage also. Now talking about this hard drive storage, we can say that it offers you a good hard drive storage of 500 GB. Yes, 500 GB is a good hard drive storage out here, offering you a good spindle speed, that is of 7200 RPM. Yes, spindle speed of 7200 RPM is being offered out here. You get to have a good spindle speed of 7200 RPM. Since spindle speed is offered out here, so it is very precisely said that spindle speed is mostly offered by a RAM or the hard drive storage of type HDD. So HDD type hard drive storage is seen in this variant. You get to have a good storage out there. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that it is an HP variant, ProBook series variant. So definitely it's going to work in the harsh conditions of environmental parameters like the shock tolerance, temperature, humidity, everything out here could be set. Now, when we talk about this variant, we can say that the variant out here offers you a good memory, or we can say offers you a great specifications in the display. We can say it also offers you a good specification in the screen size, good resolution out here. So overall, if you talk about this variant, then we can say it is offering you a good specification. Talking about the specifications of the screen, let us talk about the screen size, which is 39.6 centimeters. Yes, this is the variant offering you 39.6 centimeter out here with a display of LED backlight. So LED backlight display could be seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see HD anti-glance monitor featuring. So overall, if you talk about the display, it is LED backlight HD anti-glance display. So HD resolution, anti-glance featuring, backlight, LED displays. Overall, it is offering you a good screen size, good display out here. Along with that, when we are talking about the display, let us talk about the graphical part also. Because display alone does not appears to be as it is. It requires a collaboration with the graphical part. Now talking about the graphics, we can say that the graphical part, that is the graphic processor out here, is Intel HD Graphics 4000. Yes, Intel HD Graphics 4000 is being used out here, which is really amazing. Apart from that, it is offering you integrated webcam with a capturing resolution of approximately 1280 into 720. So a good capturing resolution also offered out here. Along with that, you will also get to see it is offering you SD, that is stereotype speakers, stereotype microphones out here for the video recordings or multimedia sound out here, everything. Now talking about this variant, talking about this ProBook series variant out here, we can see that it is offering you a premium sound quality of SSR or SRS. Yes, SRS premium sound quality could be seen out here. Now, when we are talking about this variant, the look out here display has all the keys, functional keys, touchpad out here, everything. How does the working of this variant depends on the uh, connectivities out there? So, talking about the connectivities, it has got good Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity out here, USB connectivity, 2, 3 audio input output jack out there, SD card connectivity, along with that power connectivity could be seen. Apart from that, you also get to see that it is offering you an optical drive connectivity. Optical drive connectivity could also be seen out in this variant, where you get to see that DVD read and write type, that is the DVD multi-purpose, is being supposed or is being proposed out here in this version. So you get to have a DVD writer. Now talking about this DVD writer, it has got a fixed tray out here where you input your CDs or DVDs out here so that you can connect it. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then definitely is card reader supports every kind of support system like flash card, SD card, memory card out there, every kind. Now everything has been discussed, so now let us discuss about the battery also, because every gadget has usually a weak point, that is the battery. Either it can be very good or very light. So talking about the battery, it is 6-cell lithium ion battery. You get to have a 6-cell lithium ion battery out here. Now talking about this lithium ion battery, we can say that this lithium ion battery possesses a capacity of 47 volts. Yes, you get to have 47 volts lithium ion battery of 6 cells. So overall, this variant is quite good out there, a good version for the corporate world, definitely. So now let us check about the pricing also. And talking about the pricing, let us visit out this website. That is justatclick.com. Yes, justatclick.com is offering you great pricing for your gadgets out there. Not just one brand, but there are top brands out here and a huge collection from these brands. Also, when we talk about these brands, we can say that the brands out here is offering you a great savings because the products are really amazing and a very pocketable rating out here. Along with that, you also get to see that the products out here offers you a great range of specifications. As well as you get to have customizability option. Yes, you can have a customizability option also for your gadgets. You get to have customizability option in your gadget. Now let us search about the gadget we were talking in this search icon, because it helps us to search our gadget in a very limited format. So this is the result out here, offering you a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom. Apart from that, you also get to see that there is a condition written refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand, and when we say refurbished or certified refurbished, both are actually same. There is no major difference out here in certified refurbished products and brand refurbished products. Actually, let us compare this with the brand new products. What are brand new products actually? Talking about brand new products, then we can say that brand new products are nothing else but the products which are directly released from the company for the very first time. That is brand new, absolutely new. We have not seen any gadget like that before. So that is brand new. Whereas refurbished products or refurbished gadgets are nothing else but are pre-owned brand new gadgets. Yes, these are pre-owned brand new gadgets out there. Now, what does this mean? What does this whole thing mean? Let us talk about that. Talking about refurbished, then we can say these are pre-owned gadgets. Matlab, once a user has buy that phone, has that gadget with it, that has buy that gadget, then you get to see that that gadget comes under the category of pre-ownization. That gadget is pre-owned. Now that gadget has to be if resold. If that person wants to resell it, then it comes under the category of reselling product, and then it comes under the category of refurbished. Now let us see the chain. How does it works out? And talking about the chain, it's a common chain followed out with base, mediator, and the consumer out there. Whereas the base is nothing else. For brand new, it is always and always the company. Yes. The base out will be the company where you will first time see that gadget. Yes, for the very first time, once a brand new gadget is being launched, it is with the company itself. Now, talking about the company, then it can be any company out here like Samsung, Galaxy, Lenovo, HP, any company out there, any brand. Now that company wants to resell that gadget out here. Now that gadget is going to be resold. Now what happens is once that gadget is being is going to be sold actually. It is not going to be resell. It is going to be sold out. The company is first time bringing that gadget into the market, then it is being resold. Then what happens is you get to you get to sell that gadget in the marketplace, which is a bridge between a consumer and the company. Yes, the company out here brings that into the marketplace, and the consumer, the users from that marketplace takes it off. So this ends the brand new gadget chain out here. Once a gadget is pre-owned, then it can never be considered as brand new. Yes, it is being pre-owned now. So this is not brand new at all now. So we will not say that it will not be absolutely brand new, but you will consider that as a pre-owned. Now, once that user wants to have that gadget or resell it to another person, then it is considered as a refurbished gadget. Yes, this is considered as a refurbished gadget. This will never be considered as a brand new now. Yes, you will never consider it as brand new. It will be considered as a refurbished gadget. So it is absolutely brand new like gadget now. Now what happens is now user wants to resell that gadget. It is brought back into the marketplace where it is being tested, verified before reselling it. It is again brought up on their sites, and then it is sold off to another user. So this is the refurbished gadget out here. In short, we can say that refurbished is the extension of brand new. Yes, we can say that refurbished gadgets are actually the extension of brand new out here. Now, talking about the brand new gadgets and refurbished gadgets, the difference lies out in the testing sites. Yes, you will find a difference in the testing site. And talking about the testing sites, brand new gadgets testing sites are actually not very differing out here. Yes, they do not differ out. They are actually at the same place. Different sites out there. Like for designing, it's a different site. For Bluetooth connectivity is a different site. Like every testing has to be on different siting, which are highly designed for that. Whereas in refurbished gadgets, you get to see that the designing, the testing, and the replacement, everything has to be done on the same site. Yes, everything is done on the same site where the user resells that gadget and the new user buys that gadget. So that particular marketplace does every testing out there. Now let us talk about the parameters because they are doing the same design, same functionality, same testing out there. Everything is same. So what are these testing parameters? And talking about these parameters, we can say that testing parameters are nothing else but the external and internal factors. Yes, you get to have external factors and internal factors out there. Talking about the external factors, you get to see that external factors are nothing else but the factors or the parameters which can be seen through eyes. Yes, you can see directly through eyes, like the design, scratches, buttons, uh, power out there, or USB connectors, pen drives, SD card connectors, display, camera. So these which can be seen through eyes, whereas these do not require any software or any highly designed tools out there. You will not require any of these kind of things. So how does this work? Like if you check about the keys, then every key is functional or not. By pressing it, you can check it out. Camera is working or not. You just open the webcam and just see whether you can see yourself or not. Scratches, you can see touchpad out. The USB connectors, you can connect and see. Like these things does not require any tools, software. They are very quick to check. Now another factor comes out to be the internal factors. Now what are these internal factors all about? Talking about the internal factors, we can say that internal factors are nothing else but the internal components out there. The components which has to be tested with specified tools, specified gadgets, specified softwares out here. These includes like the processing, graphics, memory, speed out there, the connecting purpose out there, the graphics, everything out there, the RAM, the ROM out there, the write-ups if it has. If you are not able to connect it, is the place out there working or not? The internal points are working or not? The core system out there. Everything has to be checked. Like, all the internal components which you need to be checked with gadgets, softwares out there. So this is what the parameters are all about. We can say they are really amazing parameters set out for the brand new as well as for the refurbished products. Both have the same parameters, same sites we can say, but only differs out that the new gadgets, the brand new gadgets has to be tested at various sites, whereas refurbished products are tested on the same site with approval. Now, once a gadget is certified, that it passes all the certifications, then it is considered as a refurbished or certified refurbished product. But what if it does not pass any one product, any one test? What does it happen? Then it has to be renewed. Yes, you have to replace that part or you have to renew that gadget so that you can have a absolutely brand new live product. Now, this replacement is not with any unknown or a duplicate or fake part. It has to be with the original part provided by the company. Yes, the part which is provided by the company is used to replace or renew that gadget. So this is really amazing to say that we can have a brand new type product in a very amazing quality out there, a pre-owned gadgets. Now let us talk about the benefits also. And talking about the benefits, number one comes the pocket friendly rates. Talking about the rating, we can say that brand new products are quite expensive. Yes, these are quite expensive out here. But when we talk about refurbished products, you get to have a pocketable or pocket friendly rates. Yes, you will not find they are too expensive out there. They are quite pocketable. Now, talking about these pocketable rates, we can say that since there is a difference in the pricing, expensive and a less expensive price, so you get to have a difference in pricing. So you will get a good amount of savings. Yes, a huge amount of savings could be done out there. A Apart from that, we know that brand new gadgets offer you 1 year warranty. Along with that, exchange policies are there. So everything is provided. But once we get a pre-owned gadget, what happens is usually we don't get if we buy from any site and it does not have a condition out here. So you do not get any warranty period out here. But if you have a condition named as refurbished or the product type is written refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy also. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product, pocketable rates, savings, 6 months warranty, exchange policy out here. So you get to have overall all the qualities which a brand new product offers. So you can try out refurbished products, and for that, let us visit back the website. We are at this site, that is justatclick.com. Yes, justatclick.com offers you great pricing. Yes, this offers you great pricing because great deals come in pocketable rates, so you get to have really a great amount of deals. Along with that, you get to have a lot of options out there. There is a large selection option out here for you because from top brands, you get to have gadgets in your pocketable rates. Since this site offers you pocketable rates and your top brand gadgets out there and mostly refurbished products, so you get to have a huge savings also. Yes, you can have a huge saving out there. Since refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty, so here refurbished laptops are offering you 6 months warranty period also. So you can to have a 6 months warranty period along with that. Since it's an online website, you get to have a hassle-free shopping. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you free home delivery, money back guarantee, and an online support system. So overall, you get to have a really good amount of things out there. You get to have a good savings. You get to have good collection of gadgets. You get to have a 6 months warranty, free shipping out there. COD is also available out here. Apart from them, yes, apart from them, there is a one additional factor out here. Yes, you get to have a one additional factor out here. That is nothing else but the customizability option. Yes, you get to have customizability option available for you. What does this customizability option means? Customizability option means that you can customize your gadget accordingly. If you would like to customize the RAM, customize the processor, storage, like whatever things are possible to customize in a particular gadget, and if it is provided by the company, yes, if the company has allowed the customization, then you can customize your gadget. So now let us see the website once again. So you get to have really refurbished products from all the top brands out here. The search icon helps you to search your gadgets out there. A call number out there from where you can order your gadgets out there, or you can have an online chat with us, as well as you get to have a good amount of gadgets out there. So this is it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. You can check out the description for the link, or you can go on Google and type justatclick.com.